I am Alicia Rose D. Coloma, and my degree is Bachelor of Arts in Communication in Convergence track. As a student taking up communication, this subject is very important because it taught me a lot of tips whenever we communicate in a certain matter. Like, for example, on how to give a great presentation, on how to write formal emails, even the possible interview questions and how you should answer it properly and professionally. It's like, pine-prepare kami so when we graduated and find a job, hindi na kami magmukhang ignorant and surprised pag naka-encounter kami ng mga job interviews and all. Saka, gumagawa din kami ng research ngayon. So, sobrang important na malaman yung mga tips on how to write formally, on how to send formal emails. Kasi, katulad nga yung online classes, marami tayong inquiries na isa-send sa mga profs natin. And, hindi naman pwedeng basta-basta mo lang sila i-chat ng, "Sir, ano po ba yung ganito, ganyan?" Siyempre, kailangan mo pa din silang i-respect. Saka, talk with them with like they are an authority. So, yun lang.